I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare magnesium versus steel trowel full comparison. Read the brief care checklist before you choose and test each blade technique on a small patch. I will walk through feel, flex, weight, edge retention, and long-term maintenance, and I will share practical tips for mixing, finishing, and cleaning. Stay with me and try these steps as we go so you can pick the right trowel. I will explain how performance factors change real-world results and why each trait matters to different craftsmen. We will compare flex, edge retention, weight, and corrosion resistance in practical terms you can test immediately. I will describe how each trowel behaves with common mixes and finishing techniques, and I will offer simple maintenance rituals that extend tool life while improving finish quality. Follow along and note what suits your workflow. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tool guides. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with choosing tools that pay off over time. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab it if interested, and now let's get back to the video. I will show which trowel fits specific tasks and why tradespeople often keep both types ready. Watch for recommendations on when to swap tools during a job and learn quick checks to assess blade health in minutes. I will also cover storage, sharpening intervals, and simple fixes for bent tips so you can avoid rework. Try these practical pointers on your next job to see immediate improvements in finish and speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.